Having trouble connecting to the internet on your Assurance wireless phone? There are three main culprits: APN settings, DNS issues, and data limits. The APN access point name acts as the gateway connecting your phone to AT&T's data network. The correct APN should be at.mvno or broadband. Misconfigured APN settings are a common cause of no internet errors, often occurring after factory resets or OS updates. DNS, domain name system, translates website names into IP addresses. Problems here can cause slow loading or DNS server not responding errors. Finally, Assurance Wireless provides a limited amount of high-speed data, typically 10 gigabytes per month. Once you exceed this, your speeds will be significantly reduced, throttled. First, check your APN settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, Access Point Names. Next, clear your DNS cache by going to Settings, Apps, System Apps, DNS Resolver, Clear Cache. You can also try switching to a public DNS like Google's 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1 in your advanced network settings. Finally, check your data usage in the Assurance Wireless app or through AT&T's My AT&T portal. If you've exceeded your limit, consider using Wi-Fi or waiting for your monthly reset. Contact Assurance Wireless support at 1-888-321-5880 if the issue persists after trying these steps.